Have you ever wondered how you could make money with artificial intelligence? Welcome to the future, where technology advancement has made it possible to achieve what was once only a dream. Today, we're diving into the world of HighTicket AI, a system that uses the power of AI to generate substantial profits online. HighTicket AI is an innovative platform built on a tech stack that includes cutting-edge products like Amplitude and Facebook. This revolutionary system is designed to help both seasoned entrepreneurs and beginners alike. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, HighTicket AI provides users with a streamlined approach to generating income online. But how does HighTicket AI work? The system is engineered to automate processes such as lead generation, campaign optimization, and sales conversion. And the best part? It requires minimal effort on your part. HighTicket AI is all about making your digital marketing efforts more efficient and effective, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business. So, what's in it for you? By automating these processes, HighTicket AI not only increases your online revenue, but also saves you valuable time. Instead of spending hours on end trying to generate leads or optimize campaigns, you can now let HighTicket AI do the heavy lifting. And the benefits don't stop there. HighTicket AI is also designed to be user-friendly, making it accessible to anyone, regardless of their tech savviness. This means you can start making money with AI even if you're new to the world of online business. Now you might be wondering, how much does all this cost? HighTicket AI offers a variety of pricing options to suit different budgets. Whether you're a small business owner or a large enterprise, there's a package that's right for you. In summary, HighTicket AI is an AI-driven digital marketing platform that helps entrepreneurs maximize their online revenue. It provides automated processes for generating leads, optimizing campaigns, and converting sales. And with a range of pricing options, it's a solution that's accessible to businesses of all sizes. Remember, the future of technology is here, and it's time to leverage it to your advantage. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and unlock your online profits with HighTicket AI. Don't let the opportunity to make money with AI pass you by. Embrace the future today.